Hello, this is Paula Pascual, and today I'm going to be making a quick and simple card using the Tonic Craft Kit number 14. I love these dies because they have got a cat, they have got a little rabbit, and you can build a dog as well. And you also get the house, a little bird house with all those intricate details as well. But more importantly, you also are getting that window frame, which I think is really, really pretty, with birds, all these little elements, which are very, very much my style. Now, they don't come in the magnetic sheet. I just immediately put them in here, so when I'm working with it, I know exactly what elements I have. Right, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do. Right, so using the dies included in the set, so I have used the window. I have die cut it out of the brown cardstock that is included in the kit, and also I have die cut the little rabbit. Now I wanted to have it in brown because I kind of think the canvas is more of a silhouette. It kind of works quite well, and then but of course that's the same color, so standing on top of each other they would be a little bit to the same color. So to avoid that, what I'm going to do is I'm using a makeup brush, or you can use a sponge, the Nuvo sponge, if you want to, and you can add color to the frame. But because it's a dark color included, it's the gray, sorry, it's not a black, it's a gray, you can actually go in and cover it completely like that, so that will give it a more of a weathered look, rather than if I went with a makeup brush it would be much softer effect. So this is going to go like this, and you can do two coats as well, but don't, I'm not being very precise. If it doesn't, a little bit of the brown, that's true, doesn't matter, because when then I come in here you can see how it stands out. The color is just completely change it. So you can use your Nuvo hybrid inks, and this one is included in the kit 14. Is the Metro Gray, one of the original colors. It's perfect to colorize it and make it a little bit of a tint. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take in the vintage travel that was included in my kit, but you know, you can use a white, you can use any different colors to add a little bit of color to the bag. Now you can actually just change a bit and create a bit of a, you know, feather effect or furry effect rather in around the areas. And you could even, if you wanted to, darken a little bit the paws as well. Then I'm gonna take the Nuvo Crystal Drops in Ebony Black that is included in the kit, and I'm just gonna put a little droplet into the eyes. That will make the, when it dries, it creates that perfect eye, and is included in the kit as well. So I let that dry, and then what I've done here, I have got one that I have done earlier. I have put also included in the die set, it is that piece that kind of creates the perfect tail, also with the white card that is included in the kit. The other elements that I have gone ahead and die cut is the little banner, which I think is lovely, and all the cards I have used is from the kit. So I like to, you know, in the skits, in these videos, I like to show you everything that you can do with, you know, just the kit. The only thing that I have used that is not included in the kit is the white card, and I have done, and then I have die cut out of the green and the brown, the little plants and the little flower in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my white card, and you can see that it's very kind of clean white, and I wanted to make it a little bit less white, so I'm going to use my makeup brush and the remnants of the ink, the Metro Gray, in there, just kind of adding a little bit more, and then I add a little bit more in the edges. I don't mind a little bit more distress effect, that sort of bring it in, because after all it's just to bring it down a little bit, the stark white of the card. All right, so that creates a little of a background in there. And so I'm going to place my elements, and for that I will use Nuvo Deluxe glue. So we are going to put the window and center it. I'm just going to use the Nuvo Deluxe glue. Now I'm going to put my bunny, and I'm going to put it with the foam pads included in the kit. And I'm just going to put one in here, and take the backing off, and then just put it in here like so. And then I have die cut all these elements as well with the kit that is in, you know, all these little plant pots and the flowers are all part of the kit. And just place it there. And the banner, this, I just love this banner in here. Just put a little bit of glue in the back. Place it over here. And now I think it will look really nice with the sentiment. So I'm going to grab my stamp platform, the traveling one, and you can see it's very well used and loved, and always at hand. Use 4 magnets. That's how I use, because I prefer it, but it comes with 2. You can buy replacements or extra ones. And this is the set of stamps that come in the kit. So you can see I'm going to use Sorry to Hear You're Feeling Rough, and place it in the right way. Close it up, and then use the Metro Grey ink, ink it up, just so you can see how I'm inking it. And then gonna do it a second time, and there you have it. I love that card. Simple but just effective, and this is what you can create with the Tonic Craft Kit number 14. Remember that you have until Sunday the 30th of September to order yours, and you know, I hope you join us again for the next month. Bye.